Hi, excited to join studying mathematics. Mr. Samih Abdelhadi with you talking about relations and functions. Algebra Prep 3. Unit 1, Relations and Functions, has four titles: Cartesian product and relations, then functions and polynomials. To start in talking about Cartesian product, we have to understand some concepts. Let us talk about Cartesian product. Before it, we have to understand some definitions and concepts. The first one is a coordinate grid. The coordinate grid, a grid used to locate points. Locate a point by its distances from two intersecting straight lines. Look at this house. What are the coordinates for this house? I ask about the coordinates, the projections of this house. The horizontal axis is called x-axis, a horizontal number line on a coordinate grid. You see x-axis. And y-axis, a vertical number line on a coordinate grid. You see y-axis. So if we want to locate any point in this grid, we have to determine distances or coordinates on each x-axis and y-axis. You see, if I want to locate the point 3 and 4, as you see in the screen, the coordinates are an ordered pair of numbers that give the location of a point on a grid, like 3 and 4. To locate this point, I want to determine its projection on x. We see 3, and its projection on r. You see 4. You should say the x-axis at first. So we will call it 3 and 4. Then, how to plot ordered pairs? If I have ordered pair like 2 and 3 in arc brackets. Step 1. Always find the x value first. Then, moving horizontally either right, positive, or left if it's negative. Alright, we moved 2 steps as we see in the ordered pair in the red ordered pair 2. The first coordinate here is 2. So 2 is on x. I move 2 steps on x. Then we should move 2 steps on y-axis. But starting from your new position, find the value by moving vertically, either up or right. I'll move up 3 steps to determine y-axis. So I have 2 and 3. That's good. Now, how to find ordered pairs? How to find ordered pairs? Now you see this point on the grid. Step 1. Find how far over horizontally the point is by counting to the right. This point, find how far over horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the projection of this point on x-axis is 5. Alright. Step 2. Now count how far vertically the point is by counting up. You see we have to move 4 steps. So the ordered pair of point is 5 and 4. Now, all what we said, just a prelude example, just prelude for this concept. We want to talk about the ordered pair. The ordered pair is the step 1 in understanding the Cartesian product. So what about the ordered pair? My definition, the ordered pair A and B is called an ordered pair. A is called the first projection and B is called the second projection. As you see in this ordered pair 2 and 8, I can say 2 is x coordinate and 8 is y coordinate. So we notice that the word coordinate is the same with projection. So coordinate here equal projection. I can say anyone. Alright. You have to see. I write the ordered pair between two arc brackets. Now you have to notice. The ordered pair A and B doesn't equal to the set consists of elements A and B. And the ordered pair A and B doesn't equal to the interval A and B. You have to think why. What's the difference between them? No meaning to an empty ordered pair. I cannot write an empty ordered pair and not as an empty set denoted by phi. I can denote the ordered set by the mark phi. But it is no meaning to an empty ordered pair. And the last, the ordered pair A and B doesn't equal to B and A. So I cannot replace or rearrange the coordinates in the ordered pair, where A doesn't equal to B. Now we talk about the equality of the ordered pairs. This rule is very important. It says if I have A and B, the ordered pair A and B equals the ordered pair X and Y. Then A equals X and B equals Y. The first coordinate in the first ordered pair is equal to the first one in the second ordered pair. And the second coordinate in the first one is equal to the second coordinate in the second ordered pair. How? Just take an example. If the ordered pair A and B equal 3 and negative 4, then A is equal 3 and B is equal negative 4. If X and 2 equals negative 5 and Y, then X equal negative 5 and Y equals negative. Now you have to take example. Find the value. Find the values of X and Y in each of the following F. Please pay attention. I want to solve this example. It gives us x squared negative 1 and 8 as an ordered pair equals the ordered pair consists of 48 and the cube root of y, and ask me for finding the values of x and y. What should I do? You see, I took the first coordinate x squared negative 1 or x squared minus 1 equals 48. Now I have equation. Alright. And the second equation is the cube root of y equals 8. Now I have two equations, x and y. Because I wrote the first coordinate in each one are equals and the second coordinates in each one are equals. Alright. Now let us solve the first solution. You see the first equation will give me x value and the second equation is give me y value. X squared minus 1 equals 48, so x squared equals 49. I have to take the square root, so I have x equals positive and negative 7. This is the value of x. The next one, the cube root of y equals 8. Now I will raise the power of them to 3 because I want to cancel cube root. So I will take the third power of 8. I have to say y equals 8 power 3. 8 power 3 equals 512. So y is equals for 512. Another example, it gives us 32 and x plus y equals y power 5 and 2. The second example is 32 and y power 5. I write y power 5 equals 32. The next equation is x plus y equals 2. You see here I want to find the y value to replace it in the second equation. So I should start by the first one. The first step, I will take the fifth root of y power 5 and 32, so I have y equals 2. I will replace the y value in the next equation to have x plus 2, not plus y. X plus y equals 2, so I will replace y by this value 2 and write therefore x. Now you have to try by yourself. Now your time to try by yourself. If you have x plus 1 and y squared as an ordered pair equals the ordered pair 3 and 9. Find the values of x and y. Number 2x cubed minus 5 and 8 equals 3 and 3y minus 7. Number 3 x squared minus 2 and 2y equals y and the cube root of 64. You have to try by yourself, but I will give you the final solution. The first one is x equals 2 and y equals positive and negative 3. Number 2 is x equals 2 and y equals 5. Number 3, x is equal to positive and negative 2 and y equals 2. If you understand and want to expand and train yourself, you have to make this homework. Thank you for watching. Mr. Sameh Abdelhadi. Meet you in the next lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.